Welcome! Today we'll solve an interesting problem about cooking rice. The question asks us to estimate the time required to cook 2 kilograms of rice. To solve this problem, we'll use an empirical formula that has been developed through experimentation. The formula states that the cooking time in seconds is equal to 550 times the mass of rice in kilograms raised to the power of 0.38. Let's understand why this formula makes sense. As the mass of rice increases, the cooking time also increases, but not linearly. The power of 0.38 means that doubling the mass of rice won't double the cooking time. It will increase it by a smaller factor. Now, let's solve for our specific case of 2 kilograms of rice. We'll plug in 2 for m in our formula. That gives us 550 times 2 raised to the power of 0.38. Using a calculator, this equals 715.73 seconds. To convert this to minutes, we divide by 60 seconds per minute. This gives us approximately 11.92 minutes as our final answer. Remember, this is an estimate based on an empirical formula. Actual cooking time may vary depending on factors like the type of rice, cooking method, and heat intensity.